What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video guys I'm going to be redesigning Frances YouTube banner. For those of you guys that don't know Frances, she's a Nigerian vlogger, model, like fashionista and so on and so forth. Yeah, so I'm going to redesign our banner from this, so watch the end of the video to like see the final result of the redesigning. So in case of if you guys need a YouTube banner, a logo, whatever kind of internet brand you're going to need, you can hit me up on my Instagram. I'm probably going to leave it up somewhere. Yeah, so you can hit me up, I'm not active on any social media. I just want to focus on Facebook for now, but just leave me me a message and I'll reply as fast as I can. Don't try emailing me. Like, you can email me, but like I am not active at that point at all. So like the best is Instagram literally. So guys, watch the end of this video, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel.